Satnam, Sat Kirtan for a 3-minute meditation. Today I went with my laptop that crashed last week back to the store, and I was so happy they could fix it. It just needed some extra power to close down some things, and it just worked. And when I was sitting there, I was like, yes, sometimes you feel overwhelmed and you're like, you just want to crash and you want to sleep and you want to put your head underneath the blanket and don't want to show up. But when you just let go and just really recharge yourself, you can do it again. So just during this meditation, please see for yourself if there is something in your life going on right now that is really making you feel like this, like really frustrated and you want to stop it. This is what my computer did. It stopped when I plugged in the plug to charge my phone. It was just too much for the computer, and it says I'm not going to do it anymore. So, and yeah, I'm happy it was just for a moment and I didn't have to buy a new one. But sometimes for yourself, when you just add one more little thing, it can be the drop that really, really have you over the edge. So maybe there was something in your life one day that made you feel like this. Please go into this memory and just feel that, this is just a memory and you're alive and still you're doing whatever you can, and just don't take on too many things. Don't open too many things at the same time. Don't plug in too many things at the same time. Just do one thing and then the next. One thing and then the next. Alright? So now we are going to close our eyes and do just one thing. Just focus on our breath. Alright, let's go. you feel recharged, right? Just let go of everything and focus on this one thing you want to do. Alright, sit down.